Do you ever wonder, what if the life I've dreamed of could actually become my reality? What if it could? Diving into the fascinating world of manifestation, a process that has the power to transform your deepest desires into tangible experiences. First, let's set the stage with clear intentions. What do you want to manifest? Is it a lucrative career, a soulmate relationship, peaceful state of mind? Think about it and write it down, every detail, every feeling associated with achieving these goals. There is power in clarity and even more power in putting your intentions into written form. You might be wondering, how does manifestation work? Is there scientific basis behind it, or is it all just wishful thinking? So, let's dive into the science behind it. First and foremost, manifestation is often associated with the law of attraction. The premise is simple. Like attracts like. What you focus on, you attract into your life. If you're constantly dwelling on positive thoughts, you're more likely to attract positive experiences, and vice versa. It's a concept that has been around for centuries and has been explored in various philosophies and religions. But how does it work on a scientific level? This is where the concept of vibrational frequencies comes into play. Everything in our universe, including our thoughts and emotions, is energy. This energy vibrates at different frequencies. Positive thoughts vibrate at a higher frequency, while negative thoughts vibrate at a lower one. When you're manifesting, you're consciously choosing to raise your vibrational frequency to align with the energy of the things you desire. Lastly, let's discuss the role of the subconscious mind. Our subconscious mind is constantly absorbing information and creating beliefs based on that information. These beliefs then influence our thoughts and actions. By consciously choosing positive thoughts and beliefs, we can influence our subconscious mind, and in turn our reality. So the science behind manifestation is all about energy, frequency, and the power of the subconscious mind. It's not just about wishing for something to happen, it's about aligning your energy and beliefs with your desires, and allowing the universe to respond in kind. Now close your eyes and visualize your goals. Picture yourself already living the life you desire. What does it look like? How does it feel? What sounds surround you? Engage all your senses and paint a vivid picture in your mind. This is not just a daydream, it's a rehearsal for reality. But visualization alone isn't enough. You must believe in yourself and in the attainability of your desires. It's time to let go of any doubts or limiting beliefs that may be holding you back. Practice affirmations, engage in positive self-talk. You're not just hoping for your dreams to come true, you're preparing for them. Now take a deep breath and prepare to take inspired action. Manifestation isn't just about wishing, it's about doing. Be alert to opportunities that present themselves and be ready to seize them. Trust your intuition. It's your internal compass guiding you towards your desires. And through it all, practice gratitude. Be thankful for what you already have and for the manifestations that are on their way. Gratitude not only shifts your focus towards abundance, but it also acts as a magnet for positive experiences. As we journey through the process of manifestation, it's crucial to be aware of the common pitfalls that can hinder our progress. Let's delve into these. First, being overly attached to the outcome can create a sense of desperation and anxiety, which are vibrations that do not align with the abundance you're aiming to attract. Remember, the universe works in its unique divine timing. Practice patience and trust the process. The mistake of focusing on what you don't want. The universe doesn't understand negations. When you say, "I don't want to be broke," it hears, "I want to be broke." Instead, shift your focus to what you do want. Say, "I want to be financially free," and feel the energy of freedom. Be cautious of not taking inspired action. Manifestation is not a passive process. It requires active participation. You can't just visualize and then sit back doing nothing. Listen to your intuition, follow the signs, and act on opportunities that align with your intentions. Avoiding these common mistakes can significantly enhance your manifestation process. Remember, manifestation is a journey, not a destination. It's about aligning your energy, thoughts, and actions with your desires and enjoying. Now, this next step might be a little tricky. Stay open and detached. Don't fixate on a specific timeline or the exact way your desires should manifest. The universe has its own timing and its own methods and its wisdom. Remember, manifestation isn't a race, it's a journey. It requires patience, persistence, and consistency. Challenges may come, setbacks may occur, but keep your focus on your intentions. Your dreams are worth the effort. So, release resistance. If you feel any negative emotions or if there's anything that seems to block your flow of abundance, let it go. Practices like meditation, mindfulness, and energy healing can help you align your energy with your desires. We've talked about the steps, the science, the common mistakes, and the importance of patience in manifestation. But now, let's bring it all to life with some inspiring success stories of people who have successfully manifested their dreams. Our first story is about Lisa, a graphic designer from New York. She'd been dreaming of working for a top-notch design firm. She used the power of manifestation, visualizing herself in her dream job, surrounded by creativity and innovation. She worked on her skills, stayed patient, and finally, her dream job came to her in an unexpected way. Today, she's living her dream, designing for one of the biggest firms in the industry. Next up, we have Jack from Australia. He was searching for his soulmate, but had no luck. He decided to try manifestation. He visualized his dream partner, focusing on the feelings he would have in a loving relationship, rather than on specific attributes. He practiced gratitude and released any resistance he had about love. Then he met Emily at a friend's party, and they've been inseparable ever since. Lastly, let's talk about Sarah, who manifested her dream house. Sarah, a single mother from Canada, had always dreamt of owning a cozy, beautiful house for her and her son. She created a vision board, visualized her dream house, and released her desires to the universe. She stayed patient and kept her spirits high, even during tough times. One day she won a lottery that she had entered on a whim, and there she was, buying her dream house. These success stories are a testament to the power of manifestation. They show that with the right mindset, consistent actions, patience, and release, you can manifest anything you desire. So, what's your manifestation story going to be? Thanks for joining in on this journey, Soul Squad. Are you ready to take your journey to the next level? Then hit that subscribe button and join our community for weekly inspiration and valuable insights. And remember to turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Until next time, keep manifesting.